In order to submit an irregularity into the online testing irregularity submission system, you must first click on the Report an Irregularity tab located at the top of the page of every user level. Next, enter the following information: the name of the person reporting the irregularity, their phone number, and in the irregularity description box, enter a detailed description of the incident, the names and numbers of the students involved, the grade level of the students being tested, and the number and/or letter of the test form affected. Enter the date the irregularity occurred by clicking the small calendar icon and selecting the date the irregularity occurred. Select the assessment from the pull-down menu. Next, select the school that the irregularity occurred. If you're reporting at the LEA level, then you must select whether the irregularity can be viewed by the school or cannot be viewed by the school. Don't forget to check the verification box to verify the information provided is accurate and complete. After you have completed these steps, simply click the Submit Irregularity button in the top right-hand corner of the page to submit the irregularity.